Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the world of the best tonneau and truck bed covers. Whether you are looking for durability, security or style, we have got you covered. From retractable to folding designs, we'll explore the top options on the market to help you find the perfect cover for your truck. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more truck accessories reviews. At the first position of our list, we have the Odro T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a perfect blend of style, functionality and durability. Crafted with marine-grade vinyl and aluminum frames, this cover offers exceptional weather resistance and durability, keeping your cargo safe from elements like rain, snow and dust. The Odro T3 features a sleek, low-profile design that enhances aerodynamics and improves fuel efficiency. Its trifold mechanism allows for easy access to your truck bed, whether you are loading large items or accessing smaller tools. The cover installs quickly with no drilling required, utilizing clamp-on rails for a secure fit. This tonneau cover not only enhances your truck's appearance but also provides effective protection against theft and UV rays, preserving your cargo and maintaining its integrity. Backed by Odro's reputation for quality, the T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is designed to withstand the vices of daily use, promising years of reliable performance. Ideal for truck owners seeking a versatile and durable tonneau cover, the Odro T3 combines practicality with aesthetics, making it a standard choice in the market. Improve your truck's functionality and style with the Odro T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, ensuring both security and convenience on every journey. At number 2, we have Odro Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a versatile and durable addition to your truck that enhances both style and functionality. Crafted from tear-resistant double-sided vinyl and aluminum frames, this cover offers exceptional durability and weather resistance, keeping your cargo safe from rain, snow and debris. The Odro Trifold design allows for easy access to your truck bed, whether you are loading gear for a weekend adventure or everyday work tools. Its low-profile appearance not only improves aerodynamics but also enhances fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for truck owners. Installation is hassle-free with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, ensuring a secure fit and minimizing setup time. The cover's secure folding mechanism provides enhanced security for your cargo while also protecting it from UV rays that can cause fading and damage. Backed by Odro's commitment to quality, this tonneau cover is designed to withstand the elements and daily use, promising longevity and reliable performance. Ideal for truck enthusiasts looking to upgrade the vehicle's utility and aesthetics, the Odro Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover delivers a perfect balance of practicality and style. Next up at number 3, we have Amazon Basic Soft Rollup Tonneau Cover, a blend of simplicity, functionality and durability. Crafted from high-quality vinyl and supported by aluminum crossbars, this cover offers excellent weather resistance, keeping your cargo protected from rain, snow and UV rays. The Amazon Basic Soft Rollup Tonneau Cover features a straightforward roll-up design, allowing quick and easy access to your truck bed whenever you need it. Its low-profile appearance not only improves aerodynamics but also contributes to better fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for daily use. Installation is effortless with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, ensuring a secure fit and reducing setup time. The cover's adjustable tension control system keeps it taut in all weather conditions, ensuring a snug fit and effective protection for your belongings. Backed by Amazon's Basics reputation for reliability, this tonneau cover is built to withstand the vices of everyday use, offering long-lasting durability and performance. Whether you are hauling equipment or groceries, the Amazon Basic Soft Rollup Tonneau Cover provides peace of mind and enhanced functionality for your truck. The number 4 position is held by Trifold Soft Rollup Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a premium choice for truck enthusiasts seeking durability and convenience. Crafted from industrial-grade vinyl and supported by a sturdy aluminum frame, this cover offers superior weather resistance, keeping your cargo safe from rain, snow and UV rays. The Trifold features a sleek, low-profile design that enhances your truck's aerodynamics and improves fuel efficiency. Its roll-up mechanism allows for quick and easy access to the entire truck bed, making loading and unloading effortless whether you are hauling equipment or groceries. Installation is straightforward with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, ensuring a secure fit and minimal setup time. The cover's preset tension control system maintains a tight fit in all weather conditions, ensuring effective protection for your belongings while reducing wind noise. Backed by Odro's commitment to quality craftsmanship, this tonneau cover is built to withstand years of use, offering reliability and longevity. Ideal for truck owners looking to upgrade their vehicle's functionality and aesthetics, the Trifold Soft Rollup Tonneau Cover combines practicality with sleek design. The number 5 position is dominated by Lear Rollup Soft Rollup Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, combining sleek design with durability and practicality. Crafted from tear-resistant vinyl and supported by aluminum crossbars, this cover provides exceptional weather protection, shielding your cargo from rain, snow, and UV rays. The Lear Rollup features a low-profile design that improves aerodynamics and fuel efficiency while enhancing your truck's aesthetics. Its roll-up mechanism allows for easy access to the truck bed, making loading and unloading quick and convenient for everyday use or weekend adventures. Installation is effortless with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, ensuring a secure and snug fit. The cover's adjustable tension system keeps it taut in all weather conditions, reducing flapping and maintaining protection. Backed by Lear's reputation for quality craftsmanship, the Rollup soft roll-up tonneau cover is built to withstand the demands of daily use, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Whether you are transporting tools or groceries, this cover offers peace of mind and protection for your cargo. Next up at number 6, we have Odro Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, designed for durability and ease of use. Crafted from premium vinyl and supported by aluminum crossbars, this cover offers excellent weather resistance, protecting your cargo from rain, snow, and UV rays. The Odro soft trifold design allows for quick and convenient access to your truck bed, making it ideal for both everyday use and hauling larger items. Its low-profile appearance not only improves aerodynamics but also enhances fuel efficiency. Installation is straightforward with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, ensuring a secure fit and reducing setup time. The cover's adjustable tension setup keeps it tight and secure in various weather conditions, minimizing flapping and ensuring effective protection for your belongings. Backed by Odro's commitment to quality, this tonneau cover is built to withstand the vices of daily use, offering durability and reliability over the long term. Whether you are a weekend warrior or using your truck for work, the Odro Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau cover provides peace of mind and enhanced functionality. Last but certainly not least, at number 7 we have Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, a stylish and practical solution that enhances both functionality and aesthetics. Crafted from industrial-grade vinyl with sturdy aluminum crossbars, this cover offers exceptional durability and weather resistance, protecting your cargo from rain, snow, and UV rays. The Gator ETX features a sleek, low-profile design that improves aerodynamics and fuel efficiency while complementing your truck's appearance. Its roll-up mechanism allows for quick and easy access to the truck bed, making it convenient for loading and unloading larger items or everyday gear. Installation is hassle-free with clamp-on rails that require no drilling, ensuring a secure fit and reducing setup time. The cover's adjustable tension control system keeps it taut in all weather conditions, minimizing flapping and ensuring effective protection for your belongings. Backed by Gator's reputation for quality craftsmanship, the ETX Soft Roll-Up Tonneau cover is built to withstand the vices of daily use, offering reliability and longevity. Whether you are a weekend adventurer or using your truck for work, this cover provides peace of mind and enhanced functionality. Thanks for watching our guide to the best tonneau cover and truck bed covers. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with the fellow truck enthusiasts. For more reviews and recommendations on truck accessories, subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below about your favorite cover or any questions you have. Until next time, happy trucking!